In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall recently installed update on your Windows 10 computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first we need to know and see which updates were made on our computer before we can uninstall them. To do this, go to Start menu and then click on Settings. Under Settings, look for this option, Update and Security. Now from here, scroll down until you see View Update History. Now here under View Update History, you should be able to see all the updates that were done on your computer. And here they are. We have two types: featured updates and quality updates were done. Now to uninstall any of this, go ahead and click on Uninstall Update, and this will open a window with all the updates plus the dates when these updates were done. You can now identify one either by date or by the name of the update. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your computer because of the update that was recently done, then you need to go ahead and just uninstall it. Now to uninstall any of these updates, just go ahead and right click on it and then click on uninstall. Now confirm by clicking on yes, and this will go ahead and uninstall that update, and you'll have to restart your computer before you can start using it afresh. So that's how you can remove or uninstall recently installed update on your Windows 10 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.